Hi guys, welcome back with the third regular puzzle. Third regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. In today's newspaper on Wednesday, yes, it's the Wednesday, June 22nd, 2022. I've already solved two regular puzzles, the binary and the Sudoku Medium, and it's time for the killer Sudoku. By the way, in this daily newspaper, we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. So 4 puzzles I will solve. And today it's day number 119. 119 days ago, the war started in Ukraine. All right. Let me continue with the killer Sudoku. Number 4737. And 4737, and we have here a three given numbers. The 7 in the triple box of 18, that means those two boxes together should be 11. Triple box of 18, we have 8 here. Oh, 4 given numbers. Okay. We have an 8 here. That means that those two boxes together should be a 10. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Here, this triple box of 11, we have an 8 here. That means that those two boxes together should be a 3. And there's only one combination for 3. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. We have a 1 in this row. So no 1 there, 1 should be here, and 2 goes there. In this triple box of 10, we have a 1 here, given number 1. That means that those two boxes together should be a 9. All right. So let's get started. And my first strategy is to look for big squares. We have 9 big squares. And I'm looking for a big square with only one sharing box. Here we have 1, 2, 3 sharing boxes. Here, this big square, 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, exactly 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So it will be difficult. All right. Next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 3. Only one combination, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Let me scan. The box of 17. Only one combination, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. The box of 4. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. Let me see. I think those are the boxes. Yeah. What you also need to know is we have a big square. The total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column. Here we have a complete column. If you count all these numbers, the total sum here is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. Okay, let me see if there are columns with one sharing box. No. Here also a complete. Yeah, that will be difficult. Okay. Let me see. The box of 15. There are 2 combinations for the box of 15. 8 plus 7 and 9 plus 6. Well, we have an 8 there in this big square, so I cannot use the 8 anymore. So only one combination left, 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6. Here also the box of 15. In this column, 2 combinations are left. One combination is left. 9 and a 6 I have already used. 8 and a 7. 8 and a 7. But we have an 8 in this big square, so here cannot be an 8. There should be the 8, and this should be a 7. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between. Oh, wait. 9 and 8. 9 and an 8. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 9. So 3 missing numbers in the last column. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 11. Correct. But we have a 2 in the middle row, so here can be 2, so the 4 and the 5 are left. 2, 4, 5, okay. Let me see. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 5, of course, so the 8 should be in the box of 15. In the box of 15, the combination will be 8 plus 7. Okay, so 3. Okay. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. In the box of 5, the combination will be 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4. That means that here can't be a 4 anymore. So 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Okay. Let me see. 2, 2, 2. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 7. 2 in the third column, 2 in one of those two boxes, second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 9, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 7. The 7 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 2 in the box of 9. 2 should be here in the box of 7. Combination will be 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5, okay. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked this box with 2, 4, 5. 4 we have here in one of those two boxes, and a 5 here. So this box should be a 2. So the 4 and the 5 are left, okay. So now we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this row is the number 6. In this row. Well, I cannot place the 6 in the box of 10, otherwise the combination will be 6 plus 4. The 4 is already used in the box of 5. So the 6 should be rather there than here. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1 and the 2, 3. 3 and a 7. 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. 1 box left in this triple box of 10. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 7. Well, only place left for the 7 should be in the box of 11. Combination will be 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4. Let me mark those. That means we have a 4 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. 1 box left in this column for number 4 here. Okay. Now we have 1 sharing box in this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 14 plus 4 is 8. 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. 26 plus 4 is 30. 30 plus 13 is 43. So 45 minus 43 is a 2. In the box of 10, the combination will be 2 plus 8. Now we have 1 sharing box in this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 7 plus 8 is 15. 9 plus 6 is also 15. So 30 plus 13 is 43 again. 43. So 45 minus 43 is a 2. Those two boxes together should be 11. So 2 plus 9 is 11. Plus 7 is 18. All right. Okay. Let me continue with the counting. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 should be in a box of 14. The combination will be 14. So the combination will be 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5. The 5. 6 is missing. 6 and a 7. 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Then let me see the 9 in this row, the 9 in the row below, so the last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. In the box of 13, the combination will be 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 6. Well, I cannot place the 6 in the box of 6, of course. Otherwise, 6 plus 0, 0 is not allowed. The lowest number I can use is the number 1. So the 6 should be in the box of 9. Here or there. But we see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the combination in the box of 9 should be 6 plus 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 4. Okay, now in this big square we have one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 7 plus 22 is 29. 29 plus 5, 29 plus 8 is 37. 37 plus 5 is 42. So 45 minus 42 is a 3. In the box of 9, the combination will be 3 plus 6. Now, let me see. In this big square, no. Let me see. 7 and a 4, we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 4. Well, 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. If I place the 1 here in the box of 9, the combination will be 1 plus 8. The 8 is already used in this big square, so here cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. In this triple box of 18, 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. In the box of 9, the combination here will be 4 plus 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2 is missing. 2 and 3. 2 and 3, let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be 6. Alright. And then 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, there are only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in the third row, so no 7 there. So the 7 should be in the box of 13. The combination will be 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6 in this big square. We have a 6 in the first column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. In the box of 15, the combination will be 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16 is in this triple box of 16. Okay. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be 3, and this box should be 2. Alright. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. In the box of 7, the combination will be 3 plus 4. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be 3, and this box should be a 1. 9 and a 4. Okay, 9 and a 4. One box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. In the box of 9, the combination will be 8 plus 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 and a 6. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then let me see, the 6 in this column, the 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. So in this triple box of 22, 2 numbers left for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Now we have a 9 here. So this box give me 9 and more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 4. Alright, 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in the first row. So no 4 there. So the 4 should be in the box of 5. The combination will be 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. We have a 1 in the third row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and a 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2. The 3 is missing. In the box of 11, the combination will be 3 plus 8. Then 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. In the box of 9, the combination will be 2 plus 7. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. We have a 4 in this third row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 5 and the 8. 5 plus 8 is equal to 18. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow, wow, wow. Well, usually for Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, 17 minutes. I'm well pleased with the time. Because for 20 to 30 minutes, it will be a 3 stars. Well, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Yeah, we have a lot of puzzles today, include these 3 regular puzzles. We have 7. We will solve 7 puzzles today. Yes. All right. Thank you. See you then. Bye-bye for now.